In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion progress bar. This is a great way to visually track tasks and projects in Notion, making it easier to stay organized and on top of your work. Let's dive right into the steps so you can have your own progress bar set up in no time. First things first, head over to your desired Notion page. You want to start by making sure you're in the right place to add this new functionality. Once there, it's time to add a new property to your Notion page. Adding properties lets you customize your data tracking and serves as the foundation for your progress bar. Next, look for the option to add a property. You'll find this option typically near the top of your Notion page where your database properties are displayed. Click on it, and you should see different types of properties that you can add. From the list that appears, select the number property. This is crucial because your progress bar needs a numeric value to represent progress. Without the numbers, there's no way to measure how far along you are. After clicking number, you'll need to click on it again to ensure that this property is set correctly. This second confirmation might seem repetitive, but it's vital to ensure the right configurations. Now that you have your number property ready, the next step is to tweak it a bit so it fits the visual of a progress bar. Click on the Edit Property option. This option allows you to adjust settings related to how your new number property should function and look. Within Edit Settings, you'll find an option labeled Bar. Click on this. By changing your property to a bar, you transform those raw numbers into a visual tool that's much easier to interpret at a glance. This should immediately give you a visual representation of your progress on tasks or projects. Finally, personalize your progress bar by selecting a color that suits your taste or your theme. This step isn't just about aesthetics. It can be functionally beneficial by assigning specific colors that correspond to different statuses or types of tasks. For instance, the green could mean completed, while blue could indicate still in progress. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will have successfully created a dynamic and visually appealing progress bar in Notion. This tool will not only help keep you organized, but can also serve as a motivational gauge to keep pushing forward with your tasks. Remember, Notion is highly customizable. Feel free to adjust and play around with different configurations as you see fit. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity in Notion. Happy organizing!